We are really excited to show you some of the highlights from the latest release 4.48, which is available now. There are a number of new features and refinements in this update based on customer feedback designed to further help you manage your business. For those in the service and hospitality sectors, this release introduces the ability to add service charges for gratuity purposes. Service charges can be configured in the web portal to a monetary amount or a percentage of the transaction. They can also be configured to be added to each transaction automatically. On the tills, as soon as you add an item to the basket, the service charge can be automatically applied when configured to do so. You can also manually add a service charge by tapping the Tip Sir button and selecting the service charge. To remove an unwanted service charge, simply tap the service charge in the basket and then tap the Void button. All service charges are treated as tips and applied to the staff member carrying out the transaction. There is also a new tipping report available in the web portal. This report will provide a summary of the total tips for each staff member within a given time period. The report also details each individual tip and includes the date, time, transaction total, and tip type within the time period. This report will be extremely beneficial to merchants as it helps provide the transparency needed for the Tipping Act. There are a number of other changes to the web portal in this update, including all Export XLS files now have filters enabled and the table header row frozen for ease of use. The department's export now displays the full department path for a clearer understanding of the department layout. The product modifiers export now displays the product names for both the products being modified and the modifiers themselves for information purposes. This is especially helpful for accounts with lots of modifiers, as they are now easier to identify. We have also added some grouping to the receipt section of the profile to allow for easier navigation when making changes to the receipt behavior. If recorded, the number of covers is now included in the transaction summary report for those using the table plans feature. This update also includes support for the new Landy C20 desktop range of devices, as well as an update to the Star Micronics integration to support large font on impact printers such as the Star SP700. Further details on these new features can be found in the appropriate tutorial video. The manual also includes details on how to configure and use these new features, which can be accessed from your tills or the web portal. Please also check out our latest videos. If you need to get in touch, please contact your support provider, whose details can be found on the Register menu or in the web portal.